A disruptive technology, but one that brings fundamental changes in the health sector, especially in fighting the spread of COVID-19 infections in the country. Meet Mairabot, a Nigerian-made ingenious middleman between frontline health workers and COVID-19 patients. Just like every other inventions created to meet particular needs, this robot, according to the inventors, is designed to tend to patients by distributing drugs, taking temperature checks, collecting and updating information about the patients, and feeding same back to the doctors.
How are you doing? I'm doing fine. Okay, have you eaten today?
But it doesn't work on its own. It is controlled by one of the brains behind the project. Hamza Hamisu, 13-year-old, is the navigator. He interprets the doctor's routine to the robot by clicking on the control parts.
And this is the vehicle in which I can use to navigate the robot to each ward. So I can also use it in navigating inside the wards to see different patients and read the temperature to the doctor. And this is the gameplay pad which I use in controlling the robot. And we also wrapped up the robot with an Ankara fabric to Nigerialize it. And we're also adding new features to the robot to become an examination surveillance robot.
The doctors and nurses here describe Mairabot as a savior of some sort. Here, social distancing is breached with a robot in order to retain the old tradition of doctor-patient interactions.
Robots can go from patient to patient. They will take their drug themselves, use their water intake. So there's no physical contact to reduce the spread of the disease. So we are really happy this came up on time.
Maisoma Iguelo is one of the 8 students who invented the Mairabot. She tells me, with the support of their teachers, they have more innovative ideas to share with the world.
We started the idea during the lockdown, so we were thinking that we can't be locked down and stay idle, that we must start something. Then we started using our school platforms. Then we started getting blueprints, drawing different things, how the robots could be. Everybody submitted names, we joined it all together, and we produced Mairabot.
This is actually the place where Mairabot was conceptualized. They call it the maker space. From the words on the walls, one can tell what these students feed their minds with. There are hopes that the capabilities of these young ones who are showing signs of geniuses would be harnessed and supported by the federal government to come up with more inventions that would help humanity overcome today's and tomorrow's challenges. Joseph Johnson, NTN News.